Good morning children. In today's video, let us learn about multiplication using multiplication table and grid multiplication. You already know the multiplication tables up to 10. Let us learn the multiplication tables from 11 to 20 using a new method of multiplication.
Multiply using multiplication tables. First one, 12 into 11. So this sum will be so similar to the one which you have learned in the smart multiplication method. In the smart multiplication, you had numbers ending in 9. So you subtracted 1 from the number next to it. Here, since we know tables till 10, we are going to split this number in terms of 10 plus 1. So, it can be written like 12 into 10 plus 1. See here, 12 is written, multiplication symbol, 11 is written as 10 plus 1. So, 12 will be multiplied with 10 ones. Similar to the previous exercise, there you used minus symbol, here you will be using plus symbol. Now the same 12 will be multiplied with 1. 12 into 1. So 12 tens are 120 plus 12 into 1, 12. So the answer will be 132. Now the next sum is 62 into 19. In the previous exercise, we splitted 19 as 20 minus 1. Yes, here now we are going to split the number 19 as 10 plus 9. First let us solve using this method and then using this method also. You can use any one of these methods for solving the problem. Okay, so first let us use this one. 62 into 19 will be written as 20 minus 1. Yes. Now what we will do? We will multiply 62 with 20. Put the minus symbol and then 62 will be multiplied with 1. 62 into 20. So first let us write 0 here. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. Minus 62. So when we subtract 1240 with 62, we will get 1178 as the answer. So this is, let us consider this as case 1. Okay. Now let us try solving the same sum in another method. So here 19 will be written as 10 plus 9. So 62 into 10 plus 9. Same way we are going to multiply. 62 will be multiplied with 10 first. 62 multiplied by 10. Then we have to write the plus symbol. Don't forget. Be careful while doing the problems. Now 62 will be multiplied with 9. So 62 into 10 will give you 620 plus 62 9s are 2 9s are 18, 1, 6 9s are 54 plus 1 55. Now let us add these two, 620, 558. So the answer is 1178. See, in both the cases, the answer is same. So, you can use any one of these methods to solve the problem. Next sum is 34 into 18. So, 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. Let us write 34 will be written as its multiplication. Now, 18 will be written as 10 plus 8. Now multiply. 34 you can multiply with 10. 34 into 10. Plus symbol. Now the same 32 will be multiplied with 8. 34 into 8. 34 tens are 340 plus 34 8s are 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24 plus 3 27. So when you add, what you will get? 340, 272. Let us add 612 is the answer. Now let us multiply 61 with 20. 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. So let us write 61 into 10 plus 10. Now let us multiply 61 with 10. Put the plus symbol, then again you have to multiply 61 with the another 10. 61 tens are 610 plus 61 tens are 610. So when you add, you will get 1220 as the answer. Here is another method to solve the same sum. So what you have to do is, there is one 0 at the end. So write the 0 as it. Now multiply 61 with 2. 1 2s are 2. 6 2s are 12. See, both the answers are same. You can either use this method or this method while solving the problem. Now 25 multiplied by 13. 13 can be written as 10 plus 3. So 25 multiplied by 10 plus 3. Let us multiply 25 with 10. Then put the addition symbol and multiply 25 with 3. Twenty-five tens are 250. 25 threes are 5 threes are 15. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 325. The next sum is 56 into 14. 56 into 14. So 56. 14 will be written as 10 plus 4. Now 56 will be multiplied with 10 ones. And then we have to put the addition symbol, and now 56 will be multiplied with 4. Now 56 tens are 560. 56 fours are 6 fours are 24. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 22. So the answer is 784. Let us have a small warm-up exercise. So here we are going to multiply these sums without using the regular multiplication method. So how we will multiply 70 with 2? So first we will write this 0. This 0 is at the end of the number. So we will write the 0 as such, and then the remaining number 7 will be multiplied with 2. So 7 2s are 14. So 70 2s are 140. Now 600 multiplied by 40. So see here, 2 zeros are at the end of this number and there is 1 zero at the end of the another number. So totally we have 3 zeros at the end. So let us write 3 zeros at the end and then the remaining numbers 6 and 4 will be multiplied. 6 4s are 24. So the answer of 600 multiplied with 40 is 24,000. 20 into 100. So here you have 1 zero and here you have 2 zeros. So totally you have 3 zeros at the end and the remaining digits are 2 and 1. So 2 ones are 2. The answer of 20 into 100 is equal to 2000. 7 into 30. 1 0 is at the end. Put that 1 0 as such. 7 3s are 21. 7 into 30 is equal to 210. 600 into 500. So you have 2 zeros here and another 2 zeros here. So totally you have 4 zeros. Now you have to multiply 6 and 5. 6 5s are 30. So the answer of 600 into 500 is 3 lakhs. First one, 28 into 8.
Now let us learn
So
how
before
to multiply
proceeding, let
using
us
grids.
write the expanded form of the numbers 28 and 8. The expanded form of 28. So 8 is in 1's position, 2 is in 10's position. So the expanded form is 2 10s and 8 1s. So 2 10s means 20, 8 1s is 8. Expanded form of 8. One digit number which is in 1's place, so it is 8. Draw the grid using the scale, children. Now write the multiplier over here and the expanded form of the multiplicants over here. Now we have to multiply these two numbers and write in this box and these two numbers and write in this box. So what is 8 multiplied by 20? Write the 0 as such. 8 2s are 16, 160. 8 8s are 64. Now whatever numbers are written inside the box, you have to add them. 160 plus 64, 224. Next sum is 54 multiplied by 6. Let us write the expanded form of 54 and 6. Expanded form of 54. Here 4 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place. So 5 10s, that is 50, plus 4 1s, that is 4. Expanded form of 6. 6 is in 1's place. So 6. Now let us draw the grid. Here 6 will be written and here 50 will be written here and 4 in the next box. Now let us multiply 6 into 50. Put the 0 here. 6 5s are 30. 300. 6 4s are 24. Now let us add 300 plus 24. The answer is 324. Look at the C sum. 31 into 14. So both are 2-digit numbers. Now let us write the expanded form of 31 and 14. Expanded form of 31. Here 1 is in 1's place and 3 is in 10's place. 3 10s, that is 30, plus 1 1's, that is 1. Expanded form of 14. 4 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. 1 10s, that is 10, plus 4 1's, that is 4. So this grid will have how many boxes? 4 boxes. Let us draw 4 boxes. Now the multiplier, that is 10 plus 4, has to be written here. 10 here and 4. Multiplicand 30 and 1. Now what will come in this box? You have to multiply this number and this number. 10 into 30. What will come? 300. 10 ones are 10. 4 into 30. Put the 0 as such. 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4. Now let us add. 300 plus 120 plus 10 plus 4. So the answer is 434. 81 into 23. Write the expanded form of 81. 8 in tens place. 8 tens, that is 80 plus 1. 2 in tens place 20 plus 3 ones, that is 3. So what will be written over here? 20 and 3. Here 80 and 1. Now let us multiply 80 into 20. So here in both the numbers last digits are 0. So let us put 2 zeros. 8 twos are 16. 20 ones are 20. 3 into 80. Put the 0 over here. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 3. Now let us write like 1600 plus 240 plus 20 plus 3. So 1863 is the answer. The next sum is 312 multiplied by 21. Let us write the expanded form of 312 and 21. Now let us write the place values. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens and 3 is in hundreds place. So the expanded form of 312 is 3 hundreds, that is 300 plus 1 tens, that is 10 plus 2 ones, that is 2. Expanded form of 21. Ones, tens. Here we have 2 tens, that is 20 plus 1 ones, that is 1. Now let us draw the grid. The expanded form of 21, that is 20 and 1 will be written this side. The expanded form of 312, 300 plus 10 plus 2 will be written over here. Now let us multiply the numbers. So for this box we have to multiply these two numbers. So at the end we have 3 zeros. 1 zero over here and 2 zeros over here. So let us write 3 zeros. Now let us multiply the digits which is present at the first place. 3 twos are 6. So 6000. 20 into 10. So 2 zeros we can write. 2 ones are 2. Or else 20 into 10 gives you 200. 20 twos are. Put the 0 over here. 2 twos are 4. 300 into 1 is 300. 10 ones are 10. 2 ones are 2. Now let us add them up. 6000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 40 plus 10 plus 2. The answer is 6552. 762 into 62. Let us write the expanded form of 762 first and then for 62. expanded form of 762. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 7 is in hundreds place, that is 700. 6 in tens, so 60 plus 2 in ones, 2. Ones, tens. 6 in tens, so 60 plus 2 in ones will give you 2. Now let us draw the grid. So 60 and 2 will be written here. 700, 60 and 2 will be written over here. Now what comes in this box? We have to multiply 60 with 700. So the ending digits are 0. So how many zeros do we have? Here 1, 2, 3. So let us write 3 zeros. And then multiply the digits over here, 6 and 7. 6 sevens are 42. So the answer is 42,000. Now for this box we have to multiply 60 with 60. 0 and 0. We can write 2 zeros at the end and then 6 6 are 36. 60 into 2. 0 2s are 0. 6 2s are 12. 2 into 700. So let us put 2 zeros at the end and 7 2s are 14. 2 into 60. Let us put 0 at the end. 2 6 are 12. And then now 2 2s are 4. Now let us write 42,000 plus 3,600 plus 1,400 plus 4. And the answer is
120 plus
47,244.
With this, let us sign off today's